Hello everyone, welcome to the Naniam Education. In this video, I will discuss about the free test series for the GATE. Before starting the video, I wanted to tell you that if you are an individual who not belong to the CS branch, then I don't think this video will be useful for you, so you can skip it. And the student who are from the CS branch, then please stick to the video. And the target for this video is GATE 2021. In this video, basically I will discuss the three things. The first thing is about the free test series, and the next thing that I will also discuss that the little modification that was made by IIT Bombay recently on the syllabus and on the question pattern. So let's discuss. Firstly, I would like to tell you that what exactly the test series consists of. Basically, test series consists of 4 types of tests. First thing is topic test, then subject wise test, and multi subject test, and grant test. There's the link of a topic test. It's basically a Geeks for Geeks link. It will basically consist of all the subject. It also include mathematics and aptitude. Here you will get the topic wide test. Basically, when you're going to open this link, you will going to reach here. Here you can see that the first subject is TBMS, and it has covered all the topics like ER and relational model, then database design. This way it has covered the entire topics in each subject. And the next thing is that the subject wise test. You will also going to get subject wise test in Geeks for Geeks. Basically it is for it will going to tell that pseudo GATE 2020. Yes, I also had prepared for the GATE 2020. I had given the exam. I got only 34 marks. Basically, I qualified the exam, but it was not the good score for getting any PSU or any college. So, I am again preparing for GATE 2021. So, whatever I have explored, on the basis of that, I am telling you all the sources. So, I had prepared. I have heard last year I had prepared from these two content. I able to clear the exam. Basically I able to get the scorecard only, at I'm not getting any use of it till now. So I am again preparing for GATE 2021. I also started my preparation from the content that I have started last year. The same content I am revising here also. So from here I will prepare my topic test, and then from here I will prepare my subject wide test. And in below you can see that there are 3 mock tests, so you can also prepare for mock test from here. And after preparing all this thing, if you are getting a time, then I think you should explore from Ravind Babu Ravla test series. Basically, I'm not I'm promoting any test series, but I found that his test series and his content was quite relevant. So I was thinking that after preparing all this thing, I will purchase this test series, and it will cost 1500 to me. Basically, if the test series if this test series was this, then maybe I would buy it, but it was not consist of topic test and subject wise test. That's why I have decided that I will cover these 2 tests from Geeks for Geeks, and after preparing all this content, I will buy this test series. So this is all I have explored till now about the test series. Now I wanted to discuss about the modified syllabus by IIT Bombay. So basically there are the 2 topic has been added in compiler design. The first one is code optimization, and the next one is the liveness analysis. And in OS two topic also has been added, system call and input output scheduling. And in network, two topic has been added, NAT and socket. The good thing is that four topic has been eliminated, IP version 6, Wi-Fi, firewall and network security. There is a little modification has been made in question pattern. The modification is that one type of question has been added, is the question type is MSQ. It's a multiple select question. Basically what happens here, there it is similar like MCQ. The difference is that in MSQ there will be a possibility of more than one option correct. So in MCQ only one option used to be correct, in MSQ multiple option, maybe a 2 option correct, maybe a 3 option correct. So in that way. So the good thing is in MSQ there will be no negative marking, and the little bad thing is that there will be no partial marking. Means if there are 3 options correct and you have marked 2 options correct and in third option you haven't taken, then you will going to get 0 marks on that question only. So you will not going to get any partial marks there. So overall the whole pattern is that in MCQ you will get negative marking and rest in MSQ type question, and in numerical answer type, which is the fill in the blanks type of question, in these two type of question you will get no negative marking. And the last thing that I wanted to tell you is that third year student can also apply for GATE 2021, and I think it is a good thing. It will also get the possibility to the third year student that they can also get the exploration about the GATE. I think it's a good thing. And this is all about I wanted to discuss. That's it. Thank you. I hope you like the video. Please if you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.